So we manufactured a boom spray for the back of the quad bike last night, just out of what we had laying around. We've got a 100 litre tank and we just used the pipe off it, and we put some nozzles all the way along. We've got 5 nozzles there, so let's see how she goes. Looks to me like she's working beautifully. Okay, let's give it a test run. Well, our new 4-wheeler boom looked like it went pretty good. Cut down a lot of time for me. So yeah, pretty pleased with the way that went. It's always good when something good happens. So now all we'll do is lock this area up here and let some grass grow and get on to renovating up over the back here where the potatoes and stuff were. It's that time of year again where I always find it just a little bit sad when harvest ends, because the good stuff is over, where you're looking at the results of your hard work, and now we get back into the routine of renovating and in a few months time once again replanting. So anyway, that's the way nature is, I guess. So yeah, we'll just keep trucking along. Anyway, thank you for joining me today, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, we would love it if you press the subscribe button and follow us on YouTube, and hopefully we can keep you a little bit informed and a little bit entertained. Okay, take it easy. We'll see you next time.